cake. Vanilla, my favorite.
Girl, she has the name. This is New Jersey, Nebraska, Arizona.
Hannah, I haven't seen you since you sang at my birthday last year. Oh, yeah, I had a blast. By the way, y'all still haven't paid me for that.
Well, that's how the rich stay rich.
You know it's right.
Oh, I love your dress.
This thing?
Where'd you get it?
Oh, that's me! That's me! Raven Baxter. I'm listed. Yeah, you can look it up.
Well, I'm hosting an award show next week. Can you make me another one?
Sorry. This is a one of a kind. It was made for me and only me.
I thought you didn't like it.
A girl can change her mind, can't she?
Well, I want a Raven original. Let me have a look at it. Oh,